Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 7 for the subject of mathematics. Topic is linear equations, which is covered in chapter 2 of algebra of your textbook, and it is submitted to you on 14 December 2020. Students, in the previous lesson, we have discussed how can we find the solution of a linear equation. Now today we are going to discuss the problem sums based on linear equation. So let us start our topic. The first question is, if 125 is added to a number which gives equal to 25. Now students, it is given that 125 is added to a number. Now we don't know the number, so let us suppose first that number be x. Now 125 we will shift to that side. So x will remain here because we have to find x. So we get 25 minus 125. So what we get? We get minus 100. So minus 100, if we take here and add it to 125, we will get 25. Clear? The next question is, if 4 is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 7, the number thus obtained is 378. And we have to find the original number. Now, let us start doing it. 4 is subtracted from a number. Means from number we are subtracting 4. So let us take first the number be x. Now from this number 4 is subtracted. Now we get some difference. Now they are saying the difference is multiplied by 7. If the difference is multiplied by 7, we get what? We get 378. So what will be the required number? So what will we do? Now 7 we will shift to that side. What we get? X minus 4 is equal to 378 divided by 7. So now x minus 4 will be equals to 54. Now minus 4 will shift to that side. It will get added. So what we get? 54 plus 4. We get 58. So it means the required number we get what? We get 58. This is the original number. Next question is, if 6 is subtracted from thrice a certain number. Now students, what they are saying, we are subtracting 6 not from a number but from thrice a number. It means first of all we will thrice a number. First of all, let us take the required number be x. Now its thrice will be what? Its thrice will be 3x. Now from thrice the number we are subtracting 6. Now they are saying the result, this is the result. The result is 6 more than twice the number. 6 more means 6 plus twice means 2 times. So now combine the like terms. 2x will go to that side, it will get subtracted. And this 6 will shift to that side, it will get added. So what we get? 1x is equals to 12. So the required number will be 12. The next question is the sum of two consecutive even integers is 54. Find the integers. Now students, what are consecutive numbers? Suppose I am saying 2. You will say 3. I am saying 4. You will say 5. Next to next numbers I am moving. So these numbers are called consecutive numbers. But here in this question we have to take consecutive numbers, but they should be even. They should be even numbers. Now what are the even numbers? Even numbers which are divisible by 2. Which are divisible by 2, they are called even numbers. So now suppose you are thinking the first even number is 2. So what will be the next number which is even? That will be 4. Suppose you are thinking 4 in your mind, so the next number will be 6. If you are thinking 10 in your mind, so the next number will be 12. If you see carefully, these consecutive numbers, even integers, we are getting after adding 2. So here with the help of this, we can take the first integer be x, the first integer be x, and what will be the second integer? That will be x plus 2. Because from here we got an idea that the next consecutive integer, even integer, is getting by adding 2 in the previous even integer. So that's why we have added here 2. Now the sum of two consecutive even integers, they have given 54. So now x plus x will be 2x. We can add them because they are like terms. 2 will shift to that side. 54 minus 2. Now 2x will be 52. So 2 will shift to that side. It will get divided. So what we get? We get 26. So it means the first integer will be 26 and the second integer, which is also even, That will be 28. Clear, children? The next question is, we have to divide 135 rupees into two parts, into two persons, so that one person gets 9 rupees less than the other person. Fine? First of all, children, 135 total rupees we have. We have to divide it into two parts. Let us suppose the first part is x. So what will be the second part? Second part will be 135 minus x. You can take just a simple example. Suppose 100 rupees you have to divide into two parts. One is having 20, other will be having 100 minus 20, that is 80. We have subtracted 20 from 100. Same thing I have applied here also. 135 minus x. Clear? So now, what are they saying? The one person, suppose this is the one person and this is the other person. Clear? So the one person getting 9 rupees less than the other person. So what we get here? This x will shift to that side. We get x plus x, which is equals to 135 plus 9. So what we get? 2x is equals to 144. So now x will be equals to 144. This 2 is getting multiplied here. So it will get divided. So what we get? We get 72. So it means the first person will get 72 rupees and the other person will get 91 rupees. Clear? Sorry, this is not 91. This is 63. Clear? Now the next question is, a woman is 7 times as old as her son. A woman is 7 times as old as her son. So let us take first the son age is equals to x years. Fine. Now the son age is x. So what will be the age of women here? That will be 7x, because it is given the woman is 7 times as old as her son. Now let's read further. After 5 years. So student, first of all, we are here now. Let us move to 5 years after. Now after 5 years, what will be their ages? First of all, we will see that only. After 5 years, son's age will be equals to x plus 5 and the women's age will be 7x plus 5. Fine. Now they are saying after 5 years she will be, who is she? The woman. She will be 4 times as old as her son. So it means what we will write, the woman is, after 5 years, the woman is how many times? 4 times. The woman is 4 times age of his son. Here students, we cannot take x, we will take x plus 5 because we are talking about after 5 years. Clear? So now first of all let us open the bracket. You all know how to open the bracket. 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 5, 20. So now 4x will shift to that side and 5 will shift to that side. So what we get? We get 3x is equals to 15. Now 3 will shift to that side. We get 15 divided by 3. That is 5 years. So it means the son ages 5 years and the women ages 7 into 5, that is 35 years. Clear children? Now the next question is the price of apples per kg is twice that of oranges. Amit buys 3 kg of apples and 2 kg of oranges for rupees 160. Find the price of apples and that of oranges per kg, per kilogram. Now see carefully, the price of apples per kg is twice the price of oranges. So let us take first the price of oranges be x. So now the price of oranges per kg, if x, so orange apples price will be what? That will be 2x. Now Amit buys 3 kg of apples. Now the price of 1 kg apple is 2x. So 3 kg apple will be 3 into 2x, that is equals to 6x. He also bought 2 kg of oranges. Now the price of oranges per kg is equals to x. So the price of oranges of 2 kg, that will be 2 into multiply x, that will be 2x. So now they are saying if he is buying 3 kg of apples, 2 kg of oranges, the cost is 160. It means we can write here that 6x plus 2x is equals to 160. The total cost is 160 if he is buying 3 kg of apples and 2 kg of oranges. So now 8x is equals to 160. Now 8 will shift it will get divided. 160 divided by 8. So what we get? We get 20. It means the price of oranges per kg is 20 and of apples per kg is 2 into 20, that is rupees 40. Clear? The next question is Rakesh reads 2 by 9 of a book on Friday. Means he is reading 2 by 9th part of the book on Friday. 1 by 3rd part of it on Saturday. And the remaining 160 pages are left and he is reading that pages on Sunday. Now, how many pages does the book have in all? Means we have to find the total pages. So, first of all, let us take the total pages will be X. Now on Friday, he reads 2 by 9 of book. That is 2 by 9 of total pages. 2 by 9 of X. On Saturday, he reads 1 by 3 part, means 1 by 3 of total pages. And the remaining pages left, that is equals to 160. Clear, children? So now, number of pages he read on Friday plus number of pages he read on Saturday, and the remaining 160 pages he read on Sunday. The total pages will be equals to X, because we have taken the total pages X. So now what we will do? Let us shift first X here. 2 by 9 X plus 1 by 3 X minus X will be equals to minus 160. This is getting added here. So it will shifted to that side and it will get subtracted. Signs always change. Now let us take LCM here. The LCM will be 9. So what we get? 2x plus 3x minus 9x will be equals to minus 160. Now 3 plus 2, 5 minus 9 minus 4x upon 9 is equals to minus 160. Now cancel these negative signs. Now 4 into 40 is 160. 1 will remain here. So now 1x upon 9 is equals to 40. 9 will shift to that side. What we get? We get x is equals to 9 into 40. That is 360. So these are the total pages. That is 360. Clear? The next question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 44 centimeter. If one of the two adjacent sides is 1.8 centimeter longer than the other, what are the lengths of the sides? Fine. Now it is given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 44 centimeter. This is the rectangle. This is the rectangle. The perimeter is given to you 44 centimeter. Now they are saying if these are two adjacent sides. Now if the one adjacent side is 1.8 centimeter longer than the other. Suppose this is x. This will be x plus 1.8. Clear? Because one side is greater than other side by 1.8 centimeter. So now the perimeter is 44 centimeter. Perimeter formula of rectangle, that is what? 2 multiply length plus breadth. Fine. Now what is perimeter? The perimeter here is 44. What is length here? X plus 1.8. And what is breadth here? Breadth is x. So now 44 is equal to 2 multiply x plus x will be 2x plus 1.8. So now open the bracket. 2 into 2x, 4x. Clear? Plus 2 into 1.8, 3.6. 6. So now 3.6 will shift to that side and it will get subtracted. Clear? We get 40.4 which is equals to 4x. So x will be 40.4 divided by 4. What we get? We get 10.1. So the value of x we got is 10.1. It means one of the adjacent side length is 10.1. So other side length will be 10.1 plus 1.8, that is 11.9 centimeter. Clear, children? So students, the length of one side is 10.1 and the other side is 11.9 centimeter. Now children, I am giving some homework. You have to do exercise 3B in your maths register. Fine? Thank you children.